Shubhoshri. So I'm just giving you a brief. You can also find us at www.momilove.com. That is our official website. So today our topic is, as Chandri is preparing for her class 1, so I thought it will be great to share with you how to prepare your child for class 1 with English reading. So reading is a difficult part for kids to start reading at early age, around 6, when they will be ready for their class 1. So I will share with you a PDF which you can download from the below description box, and you can try it at home with your child. I have seen over the time that if you repeat one story with your child time and again for reading, they tend to learn it. So then it becomes difficult for you to understand whether they have understood how to read, or they have just mug up and they are repeating what is there in their mind. So I thought we will do one story each week, and we will also have questions and learning essentials into it, so that every week you have a new story to teach your child, and from there we will see how we can encourage their vocabulary, as well as we will have short questions over there. Fine, so let's begin. So today Chandri is going to read a story which I will also share in the description box. So today's story is Mammals.
Mammal.
Read loud, okay?
Okay.
Blue
Whale is the largest mammal on Earth.
Okay.
It gives birth in water.
Yes.
A baby whale is much bigger than a grown-up whale.
Grown-up human. Okay.
Whale eat full of fish. They have a big jaw to
Trap.
large school of fish. The biggest mammal on land is the elephant.
And?
Elephant live in the forest.
They
They eat plants and fruits.
Yes.
Tiger is afraid of elephant, and elephant
Loves
love to eat banana tree and
fruit.
fruit.
So this is our story. Today's story is mammals. So what Chandri read just now is, blue whale is the largest mammal on earth. It gives birth in water. A baby whale is much bigger than a grow-up human. Whale eats school of fish. They have a big jaw to trap large school of fish. The biggest mammal on land is the elephant. An elephant lives in the forest. They eat plants and fruits. Tiger is afraid of elephant. An elephant loves to eat banana tree and fruits. So from this chapter we will learn vocabulary words, so that you can in 1 week you can practice with your child 10 to 15 words which they will learn from this para. Along with that, I will also share a few questions of which you can practice your child how to write the answers, because these are the things which are necessary if you are preparing your child for class 1. So that's all for today. I hope you will be subscribing to my channel, because every week I will be coming up with these stories. So this is written by me, so every week we will make stories and publish, so that you can download it from the description box below. So please like and subscribe, and mention in comments if you have something to share with us regarding this video. Thank you.